while papers will show variation in how they are structured, there is a broad generic structure that will typically apply to all, or certainly most, and that is that all will have some introductory section, whether it's called introduction or something pertinent to the paper content. And this will explain what the paper is about, what's its purpose, the problem being addressed, an innovation being explored, or some issue to be unpacked. And it will give some summary background information to provide some context. And it will typically provide some structure in terms of what sections the paper will cover or what particular areas of focus. This we're going to look at in some detail in the next couple of slides. Now, then there's the main body of the paper, and this will contain lots of different stuff, but essentially it will be an analysis of the topic, the subject area. And you may be drawing on the literature, you may be outlining a research approach, there will be comparison and contrast perhaps between different perspectives in relation to what you're looking at. Some comparison of evidence in the literature or theories that have been put forward, including some questions that are being explored over the duration of the research. And this obviously is a substantive part of the paper and probably requires quite a lot of work to really get it into a nice structure. And again, we'll be looking at ways in which you can build this body of the paper. And finally, in this context, there's going to be some findings in the conclusion, and that is that having done the research, you're going to be reflecting back on the research questions, the literature, and coming up with some conclusions. And these conclusions could vary from some positive development or some refuting of previous ideas or theory. And the important thing here is to emphasize what are some of the key things that have come out of the research and what they mean in relation to other work being done, and possibly even suggesting future research questions.